at the 2017 Crowd Invest Summit at the LA Convention Center. I'm here with Yali Harari, the CEO of Innovesta. She has a very interesting company now that's solving a problem for investors. And could you share that with the audience?
Yes, so Innovesta is an early stage company. We're a technology platform that helps people who are looking to invest in companies, in ideas, to really do a due diligence in a new, innovative way. We help people get crowd that is relevant to help share opinions, conversations, thoughts, so the investor can actually hear the market feedback and not just think what to himself or with one analyst, what is this startup all about, and invest based on relevant shareholders.
So we talk crowdfunding, now we have the crowd helping do due diligence to figure out, it's kind of a test the waters in a sense, without the company testing the waters, right?
Absolutely, because what's the biggest question in early stage startups? Is it going to take off? Does the market need it? What's the right go-to-market? What's the price? We believe it's actually possible to get the answer to that by asking the relevant people. So our technology will analyze, find, and bring those people to a virtual room. We call it CDR, the Crowd Diligence Room. We rent the rooms, and then the investor can look at what's going on. Is it thumbs up, thumbs down, and decide if they want to invest or not.
So you decided to get into this crowdfunding realm. You know, obviously, as we mentioned, this equity crowdfunding has been going on for about a couple of years now. Where do you see the market headed? You obviously found that this is a very good solution you're solving, but where do you see equity crowdfunding going?
So I think this is the future, and it's already here, so we can't ignore it. And I do think that people want to know that it's a serious business, that, you know, we don't miss anything by going online. I think companies like CrowdCheck and Innovesta that really look at, you know, making sure that you're looking at everything before you invest will secure this market to be the industry standard for investments.
So let's talk about what are some of the key things that investors are looking for when they're thinking about investing in the company.
Right. So when you look at the early stage, you don't have history, you don't have trends, right? You're looking at the entrepreneur and you're looking at the thought, and you ask your close friends and intuition what it's all about. We think that you need to ask the market. It's possible to know more about early stage ideas and to invest more responsibly and then get more return to your money.
And that's a great idea. I haven't heard of people doing this before, so I mean, hats off to you for being innovative and coming up with that.
Thank you.
So if investors want to find out more about how they can rent these rooms and do more due diligence, where do they go?
So investors will go to innovesta.co and go to the booking tab and rent a room. Then we will do all the rest. We'll get the right crowd and we'll get you to see, is this idea you're looking at worth it or not?
Well, thank you so much. So this Crowd Invest Summit's been going on for 2 years. What do you think about the summit?
So it's our second year here, and it's definitely showing what the market, that the market is more mature. There are more companies here. There are more technologies that support the process. We love it. We're going to be here every year.
Well, thanks so much for spending the time with us. We'll definitely have you back on. Hope to see you next year.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for the next interviews here on InvestorTownhall.com.